Hey everybody, James at Pot Metal Repair. So what we have here is a 1928 Studebaker fuel gauge housing that we just casted in brass. It actually turned out beautiful, and we've got all the original markings and the patent numbers and dates and symbols on from the original, our customer's original part that was rotten, and we just digitally remade it and casted this in brass. So it turned out very nice, and yeah, there really isn't any more to say. It's absolutely stunning. So anyway, we thought we'd share that with you, and if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 707-621-5052, and we'd be happy to speak to you. Thank you so much. Really appreciate you watching the videos. Bye-bye.